Hello friends, today we will see how to generate GL revaluation journals. Before we proceed with that, first of all, we need to understand what is revaluation. Revaluation is a process of revaluing balances that have transactions denominated in foreign currency. This is as per the accounting standards. It reflects the change in the conversion rate between the date of the transaction and the current market rate of each currency. So there are two steps involved in the revaluation. One is creation of the revaluation template, and the second thing is running of the revaluation process. Now we will see both. So first we need to log into General Ledger Vision Operations Responsibility, and then go to Currency Revaluation. So this is the place wherein you define your revaluation template. I'll just give a name as a test reval template. If you want, you can create your template for all the currencies or for a specific currency. So for this session purpose, I'll select the currency as CAD, and the rate to be used by the revaluation process. So I'll say corporate, and the unrealized gain or loss account, that is like whenever the revaluation process creates the revaluation journal entry, what is the offset account which we need to use. Okay, I'll use the department as say 730, and the account is 7830. This is the gain account, and for the loss account, maybe I'll use a different account which is 7840. And this is where you specify the account code combination for which you want the system to perform the revaluation process. You can just give a complete range, or you can just specify maybe one code combination. So for this session, I'll take one code combination as an example. So I'll just take 2110. In general, you revalue the balance sheet account. So I picked up 2110, which is 2110. 2110 is the payables to bank. It's a liability account. Save this, and then to run the revaluation process, you need to click on this revalue button. Once you click on the revalue button, then it triggers the program revalue balances program. So here you need to specify your revaluation template. So as we have actually clicked on the revalue button from the template, the the template name got defaulted here, and the period for which we want to run the revaluation process, which is March, and the effective date, that is what is the exchange rate which system needs to use to perform this revaluation, so which is 31st March 2017. Before we run the revaluation process, first we will check what exactly is the account balance under this particular code combination before revaluation process, and then we will run the revaluation process and then check what will be the account balance. So that will help us in understanding what exactly is the revaluation journal created by the system. So go to inquiry, account. Okay, select the period as March 17, and the currency we are interested in only the currency CAD, and account code combination is 01, department is 0, and account is 2110. Click on show balances. Okay, I'll make a note of this balance. So for this particular account code combination, the balance in the entered currency of CAD is 1 million, and the balance in the YTD converted currency, which is nothing but the functional currency, that is the balance under USD, is 698,700. I'll make a note of this. Okay, now we will run the revaluation process. You can go back to the template, F11, bring up your template, test reval, control F11. Yeah, so this is the template. Click on revalue. Template got defaulted. Period is March, and the date is 31st of March 2017. Yeah, click on OK. Click on submit. Close this and go to the view requests. Find request. Yeah, the program is running. Program revalue balances. So once this particular program is completed, you can check that a revaluation journal will be created by the system. I'll also show you the calculations, how the system has what do you call derived that revalued amount. It's taking a while. Yeah, it's running. It's completed. And check the output. Okay, so this is the batch which got created. Close this. Go to journals. Enter query for this batch. Okay, here you can see system. I mean, always the revaluation. Whenever the revaluation journal entry is created, you will have the journal created with the entered currency as 0, and the revalued amount will be under the functional currency. So this is the revaluation amount 252,955, and this is the offset account. And now we will see how system has arrived at this 252,000. And system has used this exchange rate of 0.951. Okay, so this was the balance which is available under this particular account code combination before evaluation. The entered currency balance of 1 million and the converted currency balance is 698,700, and this is the revaluation amount. So if you look at the formula, what system is doing is system is reconverting this 100,000 CAD into USD at the exchange rate as on 31st of March 2017, because that is the exchange rate date whatever we have given when we are running the revaluation process. So 1 million multiplied by 0.951655881 is 951,655, but the existing USD balance is 698,700. So the difference is 252,955. So that means like the converted or the USD balance of this particular account code combination as on 31st of March before evaluation is 698,700, but taking into consideration the exchange rate as on 31st of March, the balance should have been 951,655. So system has increased this account balance by 252,955.88 by debiting this account and crediting the offset account by 2,955.88. So this is what exactly we can see in our spreadsheet. Now you can post this particular journal. We will post this journal and then again check the balance under this particular account code combination. Check the posting program. Still running. And again, you have got an option when you are actually creating your revaluation template. There is a checkbox called auto post revaluation. So if you check that particular checkbox, then the revaluation program will create the revaluation journal and it will automatically post the journal entry. You need not manually come and query for this particular journal entry and post. It will be taken care by the system. So while it's running, I'll show you that checkbox. Go to currency revaluation. Yeah, so this is the checkbox auto post revaluation. So for our template we did not check this particular checkbox, and hence we are manually posting the journal. Yeah, posting is completed successfully. Now check the balance of the account code combination. the currency is CAD. Account code combination 2110. Here you can see there is no change in the entered balance. Entered balance is still 1 million CAD, but the converted amount got increased to 951,655.88. Earlier it was how much it was? Yeah, 698,700. Thanks for watching my video. For more interesting videos on Oracle Financials, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.